Hey folks, so today I'm going to be unboxing the neck and back massager from COMFIER. Now, they did send this to me in exchange for the video, but I'm really looking forward to getting into this. I've got to say the box is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside. And actually inside we have another box. So let's tip this over to get this out. And we'll turn it the correct way around. And as we can see from the box here, there are multiple functions. We have the Shiatsu, the compression and the heating, and these can be used independently of one another or all at the same time. Now, my wife, who does have a few issues with her back and neck in particular, I think is absolutely going to love this. So once I've shown it to you today, I'm going to get her to test it out for us, and then I'm going to bring you a more comprehensive review. And this is actually kind of heavy. I said this is going to be a good quality product, and I can definitely tell that that is the case. So before I continue on with the main event, to show you this box here that was just resting on top, and yeah, pretty much the power adapter, so that's good. I think we'll tilt this onto the side because yeah, it's quite beastie, this is. There we go. I can already see there's a lot of padding in this. We have had a back massager in the past that my wife has used, and it has helped her, but it was more like a thin piece of fabric, you know, between her back and the chair, whereas this, I can already see, is going to be much, much better than that. Wow. Oh, this looks good. Oh, it does. I'm looking forward to testing this out myself. Now, according to the box, there is a remote control, but I haven't seen... There it is. It's actually connected to the massaging unit itself. So let's pop that over there. We have the instruction manual. And this, I'll tell you what, I am impressed. Oh, this is actually, it's got a lot of weight to it. So obviously once that's in place, it's not going to matter. It's going to be secure on your chair. So there's padding here on the seating pad, and there's padding here on the back as well. If I can just turn that round, you can see the thickness of this. And on the seat here, there is also quite a bit of ventilation, so that will make this even more comfortable. There is on the back, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, a couple of straps as well in order to secure this to your chair. So this has all of the settings that you need. You can set up the Shiatsu, you can set up how you want the massage to function, you can enable the heat setting, you can turn on the air intensity. It's pretty much got everything you are going to require to get this to how you want it to be. So folks, looking forward to testing this thing out. I think my wife in particular is really excited to give this a go. So we're going to do so, and then we'll come back a little bit later with a more detailed review once we've seen what it's all about.